at Kuala Lumpur train station, we had possibly the most hilarious taxi driver ever. No idea what he was saying, he just kept playing with his indicator to make us laugh. But we got here in good time. We've got probably about half an Oh god. Right, we've got about half an hour before we had to get on our train. Now I have heard, thank you Ali, Psycho Traveller. Thank you so much Ali, Psycho Traveller, for your blog post saying that we need time to walk down the platform. I'm being photographed. It's okay. Very happy, excited children. Whoa, they're very happy. It's good. I can't remember what I was saying. Yeah, we've realised that because of her article and everything, we need time to walk down the platform, as apparently it's really long. So we've got our snacks. We are sat in the station having some wonderful entertainment from some kids. And yeah, that's kind of it really. We're just waiting to get on the train and hopefully we will have a good journey to Chiang Mai. It's got numbers on the sides, look.
Where?
Here.
Oh, okay.
What do you think of your new digs? Yeah. So these chairs apparently get turned into beds quite quickly. I think we're just gonna shuffle our stuff into these overhead lockery type baskets and get comfy. This could be fun. Are you excited?
I'm not sure we're both gonna fit on one of these.
What do you mean both on one? It's bunk. It's a bunk bed. We go one above the other.
Here.
No, look. We're not literally sharing like this weird.
That's what I was gonna say. I'm not that small. Oh, that's fine.
You wouldn't want to be very tall, would you?
No.
Orange juice, orange juice, orange juice.
I'm sat on my top bunk at the moment. I will show you the view from my bunk. I have to say I do get travel sick and I've taken some travel sickness tablets and I've got my special wristbands on, but even with those I'm starting to feel a little bit, so I'm hoping that they just haven't had full time to kick in yet and I'm not going to spend the next 13 hours feeling really sick, because that would suck. That would suck big time. Just a warning, the top bunk is a lot narrower in width than the bottom one. Well, not a lot, but there's a metal thing that makes it... It does lock.
Yeah.
Oh good, Iris just found the toilet locks, fantastic. Yeah, there's a metal thing so it makes it a bit narrower, and there's these. To stop you falling out of the bed, but that's kind of it. So we'll see if I end up on the floor by the morning. Right, I'm gonna go and brave the toilet and then I'm gonna settle down for the night. So I am now in my bunk. Tomorrow, hopefully the next thing you see will be us pulling into Chiang Mai and arriving and then exploring, and this is really rocky. I'm so sorry. So until then, it is good night from me and good night from Irene. Good night, Irene.
Oh, good night.
Morning. It's about 8 o'clock and we have just survived the overnight train. The sun is out. We are sat on the train eating some form of breakfast. These are my snacks from yesterday. Crisps and koalas and juice. Morning, Irene.
Wait.
Oh, the train's going.
Full speed.
Yeah, this is about full speed. We didn't move very fast, and this is the express train. It's been quite a slow journey. Did manage to get a bit of sleep, not as much as I would have liked. It's quite bright and cold up on the top bunk. Oh, people. But yeah, sort of rested, so we can't be too far from Chiang Mai now, although we are moving not that quickly, so who knows, maybe an hour or so. We're just gonna have our breakfast, chill, and yeah, that's kind of the end of this little vloggy vlog. Hang on, was this gonna be the beginning of a new one? I can't remember how I was gonna do this. We've managed to check in at our guest house in Chiang Mai, and it is super cute here. I'm going to show you very quickly our little room in a moment. The plan is just to head down to reception. There's a couple of trips and, well, I say trips, things we want to book to do while we're here in Chiang Mai that we're going to sort out. I'm going to get some laundry in, and then we are going to go for a little explore. Finally! And look how pretty it is. What have you got, Irene?
Ice latte.
Ice latte for Irene. And a mixed fruit juice for me. So we've come to Blue Diamond for some lunch as recommended by a guy called Tim who runs our hostel. We had a nice chat with him and played with his really fluffy chihuahua who is super cute, and he's booked us 2 trips. So tomorrow we've got half a day cooking, and for the rest of today we are going to have our lunch, and then there's a couple of temples we're going to have a look at. We've come prepared with our temple pants and have a little wander and explore. So, cheers! Deep fried tofu with the peanut dip. And Irene's got spring rolls. So Irene's got some Chiang Mai curried noodle dish. We think it might be khao soi, but we're not 100% sure. And I've got veggie tom yum and rice. So now we've had our lunch, we've decided to come and have a look at some temples. At the minute we have just walked to Wat Chiang Mai, and we're going to have a little look inside. Finished at the first one, and we've just crossed out of the old city and we're heading towards another one, which I can't remember the name of at the moment, but as soon as we get there I'll tell you the name. So this isn't the what we were looking for, this is Wat Chiang Mai. We were looking for a completely different one. And it's very pretty, but I don't think we can go inside. It looks a bit roped off. Well, that was quite a long walk along a very busy road, but we've finally reached the Wat that we think we've been looking for, which is Wat Lok Moli, and I'm sure I have pronounced that completely incorrectly. So we're going to just take a little look around and see what's here.